Hello student, how are you? You are very fine at your home with COVID-19. I am also here very well. Now, today we are going to continue with chapter 2 of subject statistics. The chapter name is presentation of data. Okay, and previous video we have studied formula of midpoint or mid value and lower boundary point and upper boundary point. Okay, now what is formula of mid value or midpoint? The formula of mid value or midpoint is equal to lower limit of that class plus upper limit of that class divided by 2. We can say that in short form LL plus UL divided by 2. Okay, and another word, you have also write formula of mid value UL plus LL divided by 2. And we have also studied formula of lower boundary point and upper boundary point. Now look here. In this question, from the following data, obtain class boundary points. Obtain class boundary points. Okay. From the class limits and write the frequency distribution. What is asked in the question? Obtain class boundary points. Class boundary points means lower boundary point and upper boundary point. Class boundary point means lower boundary point and upper boundary point. In this question, already given lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit. So we can say that in this question, the question has a inclusive class. You can see here in this question, inclusive frequency distribution has given. Now we will convert this question into exclusive frequency distribution. Okay, so we will make class. Which class? Exclusive class, and we will write here frequency. Okay. Now we are find lower boundary point and upper boundary point. What is formula of lower boundary point or upper boundary point. First, we write formula of upper boundary point. Now, what is formula of upper boundary point? Upper limit of this class plus lower limit of succeeding class divided by 2. Upper limit of this or that class plus lower limit of succeeding class divided by 2. Okay. Now, formula of lower boundary point. Now, what is formula of lower boundary point? Lower limit of this class or that class plus upper limit of previous class divided by 2. These two formula have been taught by me in previous video. Okay. Now, we will find upper boundary point and lower boundary point. So, what is upper boundary point of first class? So, we will put formula in this. We will put value in this formula and we get the answer. Now, upper boundary point, upper limit of this class. We are finding upper boundary point of first class. Now, first class is, what is upper limit? Upper limit is equal to 1.475. Okay. Plus lower limit of succeeding class. Now, what is lower limit of succeeding class? You can say that succeeding class is equal to next class. Okay. So, next class has lower limit is 1.5. Okay. Divided by 2. Now, answer is 1.975 divided by 2. Okay. What is answer of this value? I have calculate this answer. One minute. Okay. So we will get upper boundary point of first class is equal to 1.4875. Okay. So 1.4875. Lower boundary point is remain for first class. We will find after some answer. Now, lower boundary point. Frequency as well as right here. Sorry. First class has a frequency is 5. Okay. Now, we will find lower boundary point of second class. Okay, what is formula of lower boundary point? Lower limit of this class. So first class's lower limit is 1.5. Okay, you take a calcium and solve this answer. Lower limit of this class 1.5. Okay, plus upper limit of previous class. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. Okay, upper limit of previous class. Upper limit of previous class is 1.475 divided by 2. Okay, what is total of both value? 2.975 divided by 2. Okay, so answer is 1.4875. Okay, same value we have get. Okay, so we can put upper boundary point of first class is made lower boundary point of next class or succeeding class. Okay, so in question we will find only upper boundary point. No requirement to find out lower boundary point, because first class's upper boundary point is made lower boundary point of next class. Okay, now upper boundary point of second class. Okay, upper limit of this class. So second class has upper limit is 1.975. Okay, lower limit of succeeding class or next class. Lower limit of succeeding class is 2 upon 2. Okay, so answer is 3.975 divided by 2. So we will get the answer is 1.9875. 1.9875. So 1.9875. Okay. Frequency is 10. Now, lower boundary point of third class. Now, you are thinking what is lower boundary point of third class? So, answer is 1.9875. Okay, you will put this value in this formula and you will get lower boundary point of third class is 1.9875. I am applying shortcut. Second class has upper boundary point is 1.9875. So second class upper boundary point is made lower boundary point of third class. Okay, so I have not find lower boundary point by formula. Okay, I put this value at this place and solve the answer. Now upper boundary point of this class 2.475 upper boundary point, upper limit 2.475 plus lower limit 2.5 divided by 2. So total is 4.975 divided by 2. Okay, so answer is 2.4875. Okay, and frequency is 20. Okay, understood? Now I write upper boundary point as a lower boundary point of next class. Okay, now upper boundary point of fourth class. First, second, third and fourth. Upper limit of this class 2.975. Okay. Lower limit of second class is 3 divided by 2. 5.975 divided by 2. So answer we will get 2.9875. 2.9875. The frequency is given 20. So we write same frequency. Okay. Now I write 2.9875. Okay. Now I am thinking you have already understood upper boundary point is made lower boundary point of next class. Upper boundary point is made lower boundary point. Upper boundary point is made lower boundary point. Upper boundary point is made lower boundary point. Okay. Now, what is upper boundary point of first, second, third, fourth, fifth class? Upper limit 3.475. Okay, plus lower limit of succeeding class 3.5. Okay, divided by 2. 6.975 divided by 2. So answer is 3.4875. Okay. Now I write lower boundary, upper boundary point as lower boundary point. Okay. The class has frequencies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Now you can think that what is the upper boundary point of last class? Now you have seen this sequence 1.4875, 1.975, 2.4875, 2.975, 3.4875. Okay, so with shortcuts we will write here what is the upper boundary point of last class without putting the formula in this value. So we can write that it is shortcut. Okay, we will write last upper boundary point with shortcut without help of the calci or without help of this formula. Okay, now with shortcut I will write lower boundary point of first class without using this formula. Now you can see that what is pattern of lower boundary point: 3.4875, 2.9875, 2.4875, 1.9875, 1.4875. Okay, look here, 3.4875, 2 value minus 1 value minus up to the year 1 value minus. So what is lower boundary point of first class without using the formula? It is logic. Now we have used our logic and write the answer is 0.9875. Okay, and we will write total is 7. So we are convert inclusive class into exclusive class. Okay, so it is enough for today video. Okay, thank you and take care.